Hi all, in this video I am going to explain how to find the ZBUS for the given power system using bus building algorithm. Consider this power system. First of all, we should know how many buses in the power system. There are 4 buses in the power system, 1, 2, 3 and 4 plus 1 reference bus. So 4 bus plus 1 reference bus. Reference bus is indicated by 0. 4 buses corresponding to 4 cross 4 matrix. So the final Z bus consists of the order 4 cross 4. Now I am going to explain all the steps one by one using bus building algorithm. First, step number 1. In the step number 1, impedance J 0.25 is connected between new bus 1 and the reference bus 0. J 2.25 is connected between new bus 1 and reference bus 0. I am going to redraw the power system. Here 1 is connected to the reference bus 0. The impedance given is J 0.25. How to write the Z bus? Z bus equal to, it consists of only one element J 2.5, 1, 1. This is the step number 1. Next I am going to explain the step number 2. In a step number 2, the impedance J 0.25 is connected between new bus 2 and the reference bus. That is the step number 2. So J 0.25 is connected between new bus 2 and the reference bus 0. I am going to redraw the power system network. Already we have drawn this and we got the answer for this. Now 2 is connected to the reference bus. Here 1. This is J 0.25. This is also J 0.25. See here, one new element is added. So the order of the matrix is increased by 1. New element is added and also new bus is added. Therefore, the order of the matrix is increased by 1. What about the Z bus now? Is increased by 1. Now the Z bus having the order 2 cross 2. I am going to write the Z bus matrix. Already it consists of 1 cross 1. Put 1 here, 2, 1 and 2. Have to write the same element again, J 0.25. Here 2 is connected to the reference bus, but there is no connection between 2 and 1. Put 0 here. Here J is 0.25. Second step is over. Next I am going to explain the step number 3. In a step number 3, the old bus 1 and old bus 2 both are connected through the impedance J0.2. Add J0.2 between old bus 1 and old bus 2. Have to redraw the network again. Already have used the two impedances in the previous steps. It is 1 and this is bus number 2 and reference bus. Here another one impedance J0.2 is connected between old bus 1 and the old bus 2. See here, both the buses are old buses, but the new element J0.2 is added here. Here, what about the order of the ZBUS? The ZBUS order is increased by 1. Now it is 3 cross 3. But there is no new buses added here, so that we have to eliminate the last column and the last row of the 3 cross 3 matrix to obtain the original ZBUS matrix. First of all, I am going to find out the 3 cross 3 matrix. After finishing this, I have to eliminate the last row and last column of the 3 cross 3 matrix. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Already we are having the old bus. I have to copy down the same old bus here. 0, 0, J0.25. See here, 1 and 2 both are connected together. How to find out this? Now 1 minus 2. Okay, so J0.25 minus 0, that is J0.25. What is 0 minus J0.25? That is minus J0.25. And see here, the same value exists. Here also minus J0.25. I am going to find out this Z33. How to find out Z33? This is a very simple way to remember Z33. See, 1 and 2 are connected? No. So, how you have to write? Z11 first. Then, plus Z22. Okay. Then, plus ZB. ZB means the impedance connected between 1 and 2. ZB. Next, minus 2 into Z12. That's all. This is the way to find out Z33. What is Z11? That is J0.25. What is Z22? J0.25. And what is ZB? ZB is J0.2. And what is Z12? This is Z12 equal to 0. 2 into 0. 0.25 plus 0.25 is 5. 0.5. 0.5 plus 0.2, that is 0.7. J0.7. Have to substitute the value here. What is the step? Next step, I am going to eliminate the last column. This is the last column and this is the last row. So last column and last row should be eliminated. How we can eliminate it? How to write the ZBUS now? So ZBUS equal to, first of all, I have to write this old matrix, that is J0.25, 0, 0, J0.25. Then how to write minus 1 by J0.7. You have to write this term first. Then first write the column elements of this J0.25 minus J0.25. Here write the row elements J 0.25, here minus J 0.25. Now I have to multiply these two matrices. So ZBUS equal to J 0.25, 0, 0, J 0.25 minus, how to multiply this? First J 0.25 is multiplied with J 0.25. So J 0.25 into J 0.25, the whole divided by J 0.7. So cut J and J. Then you have to multiply this using ordinary multiplication, and I get the answer J 0.0893. Okay, have to put the value here 0.0893. And next see J 0.25 is multiplied with this minus J 0.25. So I'll get the answer 0.0893. And next both are multiplied, again I'll get the J minus J 0.0893. Then this minus J is multiplied with minus J, minus into minus plus. Again I get J 0.0893. Okay, that's all. This is the way. Then have to subtract the first part and second part. I'll get afterwards I have to subtract these and I'll get the final ZBUS. So ZBUS should have the order 2 cross 2 now. J 0.1607, here J 0.0893, here J 0.0893, J 0.1607. So this is the ZBUS matrix obtained from the step number 3. Next I am going to explain step number 4. First of all, I am going to redraw the power system. Already 3 steps are over and we have used 3 impedances already. Now in this step, I am going to add the new impedance as well as the new bus. See, this is the reference bus and this is bus number 1 and this is bus number 2. Here J 0.25, J 0.25 and J 0.2. Again, one is connected to the bus number 3 via the impedance J 0.25. Add J 0.25 between old bus 1 and new bus 3. Here, what about the order of the ZBUS matrix? Here, new bus is added here. Order of the ZBUS matrix is increased by 1. So, the order of the ZBUS equal to 3 cross 3. Now, I am going to find out the ZBUS. Already, we got the answer for the old bus. So, old bus, have to rewrite this once again. So, old bus is J 0.1607, here J 0.0893, J 0.0893, J 0.1607. This is a old ZBUS obtained from the previous step. I am going to find out the third column element. See, number 1 is connected to the third bus. So, take the first column element and first row element. the first column element, you have to copy the same element in the third column because 1 and 3 only connected. So J 0.1607 and here J 0.0893 and here first row element is copied in the third row. So J 0.1607, J 0.0893. How to find out Z33? Z33 is, see number 1, the bus number 1 and bus number 3 is connected. So how to write Z11 plus the element connected between 1 and 3 is taken as ZB. What is Z11? That is J 0.1607 plus J 0.25. Have to add both, I get the answer J 0.4107. So this is the value of Z33. Have to substitute this 4107. Okay, next I am going to find out the next step, that is step number 5. What is the step number 5? I am going to redraw the same network again. In the step number 5, J 0.5 is added between old bus 2 and the new bus 4. Add J 0.5 between old bus 2 and the new bus 4. Here, the order of the matrix is increased by 1. Now, the Z bus should have the order 4 cross 4 because the previous step, the Z bus consists of 3 cross 3 only. Now, the order of the Z bus is increased. So, how to write the Z bus matrix? First, see, the old bus 2 and new bus 4 are connected. The second column, take the second column element and copy down the second column element in the fourth column. So J 0.0893, J 0.1607, J 0.4107. Here, the second row element, take the second row element, the same element you have to rewrite this again. J 0.0893, J 0.1607, then J 0. Here the second element J 0.0893, 0.0893. And next find out Z44. How to find out Z44? 2 and 4 are connected together. So Z22 plus ZB. What is Z22? Z22 is J 0.1607. That is added with 0.5. So what is the answer? J 0.6607. So this is the new Z bus obtained from the step number 5. In the step number 5, add J 0.4 between old bus 2 and old bus 3. In this case, there is no new buses added. Anyway, the order of the matrix is increased by 1 so that we get the new matrix order as 5 cross 5. But the last row and last column should be eliminated to find out the original Z bus for this step number 6. First of all, I am going to write the 5 cross 5 matrix first. After finishing this, I am going to eliminate the last row and last column for this matrix. For the 4 cross 4, I am going to write the old matrix. After finishing this, I am going to find out the 5th column element and 5th row element. So the previous ZBUS I am going to write. Okay, next I am going to write the 5th column element and 5th row element. See, 2 and 3 both are connected together via the element J0.4. So I have to subtract 3 from 2. That is 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 gives the answer minus J0.0714, J 0.0714 minus J 0.3124, J 0.0714. Here also the same thing, 2 minus 3, J 0. minus J 0.0714, J 0.0714, J 0.3124, J 0.0714. Next find out Z55. As I have already told how to remember this. That is 2 and 3 both are the old buses connected together. How to write this? Z22 plus Z33 minus 2 into Z23 plus the element connected between two buses J0.4 or ZB. How to write this? Z22 is J0.1607 plus what is Z33? J0.4107 minus 2 into Z23, 2 into J 0.0893 plus ZB is J0.4 gives the value J 0.7928. Next, how to find out this ZBUS? Have to write the 4 cross 4 first. Minus 4 cross 4 is J 0.1607, J 0.0893, J 0.1607, 0.7928. First write the column element, then write the row elements. Column elements minus J 0.0714 plus J 0.0714 minus J 0.3214, J 0.0714. Write the row elements minus J 0.0714, J 0.0714 minus J 0.3214, then minus J 0.0714. Multiply both and subtract this from the first matrix. Multiply this, we get J 0.0064. So this is the ZBUS matrix order 4 cross 4. Next I am going to explain the step number 7. This is the last step in this problem. Here add J 0.4 between two old buses, old bus 3 and old bus 2. Here also the order of the matrix is increased from 4 to 5, but we have to eliminate last row and last column because two buses are old bus. There is no new bus is added here. So I am going to find out the ZBUS. Next, I am going to find out the last row element and the last column element for this matrix. See, the 3 and 4 old buses 3 and 4 are connected together. So I am going to take the third column and fourth column elements only. Here 3 minus 4, that gives the fifth column and fifth row element. J0.1543 minus J0.0957, that gives the value J0.0361 minus J0.5361. Next, find out Z55. So Z55 means 3 and 4 old buses are connected together. How to find out Z33 plus Z44 minus Z234 plus ZB. So this is the way to find out this matrix. So Z55 equal to, what is Z33? Z33 is J0.2804. What is Z44 plus J0.6543? What is Z34? This is Z34 minus 2 into J0.1182 plus what is ZB? That is J0.4. So using the calculator, I am going to find out the values. J1.0983. After finishing this, I am going to find out the final ZBUS matrix. Next, multiply these two, row and column, and finally find out the matrix ZBUS. ZBUS equal to, thank you, have a nice day.